Hi, I'm Cassie.
And I'm Robin, and this is
Tips by Casabin. Today's focus is how to make the IEP meeting visual or the conversation visual in your IEP meeting.
Right. When you're making the conversation visual, you're ensuring that everybody's voices are being heard and the information is understood by all.
How do you make it visual, you might ask? That's really up to you. Depends on your meeting space that you have. We use large chart paper and such if we have the space to do so, but you could use a whiteboard, you could project it using a computer screen. Some people use flip charts. It really depends on your space and what you have available. The takeaway here is make the conversation visual.
Another reason why you want to do that is it increases collaboration. When everybody's focused on the information that's coming out, where they can see the information, they're more likely to ask questions and collaborate. And it also, like I said before, it increases understanding of what the information is that's being presented.
Yeah, and you can also go back and look at what you talked about before and move through the meeting as well.
You bet.
It's just make it visual. So thanks for tuning in.
See you next time for more tips.